Okay, then a project named Real-Time Speech Emotion Detection, as you can see on the screen in itself. Uh, as the name suggests, real time. I just used real time as an adjective. It is not in the real purpose. You can say real time. What I mean to say to you people, like it is just not prepared for the customers, or you can say the audience, to be delivered. It is just a speech emotion detection as a trial purpose, you can say, or you can say it is at the developmental stage. It is not for the people to just use. So what is this thing? This thing is a emotion detector. This thing is emotion detector. You can just detect the things with the help of the speech you are saying. Why I'm saying something like that? Because there are many types of the detection. Let's say if I give you example, something like facial expression. By seeing your facial expression, machine can predict that what is the emotion you are detecting, but what is the emotion a person or any person is detecting, is showing. And that's a facial type emotion detection. And this is speech type, means whatever the words you are going to tell, this is gonna pass through a specific trained model or pre-trained model or auto model, whatever you like, whatever you have just used in your project. So then after it is just detected by that particular model. So this is the speech emotion detection model. Whatever the words you are telling, by taking the other factors like pitch, tone, frequency. What is the frequency of your tone, voice? What is the pitch of your voice? Either it is high, low, angry, sad, happy, fear, isn't it? I think you are. I think the basic knowledge or basic thing which I want you people to understand, you people just got that. And what this picture is saying, as whatever the things we just discussed, this is all just showing in the picture. Human speech gone to as an audio file, and then it is going to interpret in the form of the emotions. The cloud like structure which is just shown here, the cloud like structure which is just shown here, it is the pre-trained model, the model which is being used. That's all the thing. And now let's move the next thing, that is a data primary or secondary. What does it mean? It means that where the data is just collected in order to make this project, in order to make this project, you can say, where the data is of primary or secondary, you might ask. Primary, the primary means the data I collected myself just by going into the audience in itself. And the secondary is just going through the newspapers and Google, or you can say websites, by fetching out the data from these websites. The secondary one is this. So I just collect the data from both primary source as well as the secondary source. Primary source, what is the thing I want to convey? Primary means I just revolve around my house, that how people are showing their emotion, and why they are just showing the thing, and what might be the reason. So I'm saying that the idea to make this model on, or to just work on this model is just from I just saw in my neighborhood. As well as secondary, what is the secondary option I just use? I just saw that on the internet. Yeah, the, on the YouTube, or many influencers are just showing their anger on the person who are very very kind, or they are innocent. So why this is happening? This is happening due to emotion fluctuation, so which make me to work on this and to solve this problem, that is emotion fluctuation among people. So let's come to this uh, unnecessary steps, unseen steps involved. What is this thing? Unseen steps involved. If you say, so what I'm saying, that unseen steps involved, problem identification, review of available literature, collecting data. So from these things, what I want to convey to you people, that how I just make this project, how I just how I get the idea to just work on this or to just walk on this path. Problem identification is very very simple, because I think you people have got understand all the things. What is the main problem here? The problem is very very simple, is which is emotion fluctuation among people. I saw that the emotions are going to be fluctuate very very easily, as we all know that emotions are very very necessary and necessity for us, for human beings to convey their feelings, to just live, and also to just have a very great bond in between them. Emotions are very very necessary for building any relationship, as we all know. But the things which are necessary, the things which are very very important, the things which we value has some background also, has some backside also, I mean to say. So what I mean to say that if emotions are not properly handled, then what will happen? What will happen? It is going to just make adverse effect. It is going to make our relationship bad. It is going to make our relationship bad, and which is actually make ourselves so bad thing. The next thing is review of available literature. Uh, what I got available literature. What does it mean? It means that I got all the things from internet. And what are the sources actually? This is what this thing I have to mention that sources is actually, you can say, if I just open myself in front of you people, then sources are ChatGPT and YouTube and Gemini, you can say. I use artificial intelligence as a source, and I used to see uh, some of the research published on some renowned websites, which are something I didn't remember the actual name of the site, but they are renowned sites and we can trust over them. So that are the sources of mine, where I just collect the data about the detection, about how the emotions are felt among human beings, and what is the main reason behind this project. The next thing is collecting data for production and development. So this thing that is collecting data, I just collect the data for development and not for production. As in the initial stage of this video, I think I say to you people that we just made this project for the development, as a developmental stage and not for production. What does it mean actually, na? Ki what does mean development or production? Development means we are just using it for checking purpose, you can say. We are using this application, or we are using this project, or we are using this anything, you can say, because it is not a fully structured. So it is for development, it is at the developmental stage and not for the production. It is not for the customer use, it is not for the public use to make their problems solved. And the reason is very very simple, because we are upgrading ourselves, we are just working on it. We or I, you can say. What are the variables independent dependent? Because I think I was stuck at some place. So the next thing is experimentation. The last thing, you can say, actually I just see I just we just discussed all the things in a very very fast manner. I didn't show you the live demo, I didn't show you the code, I didn't show you how it is going to work, and I didn't show you that how it is working. It doesn't matter that how it is working in developmental stage also. So I will just show you how it is going to work actually in the next video. So that's all for today, and that's all about speech emotion detection, which is going to detect your feeling. Thank you so much.